Welcome to Linlin House, your ultimate destination for home design inspiration. We're passionate about helping you create your dream home. From the grand exterior to the cozy interior, our channel offers a wealth of ideas, tips, and tutorials to guide you through every step of the design process. Whether you're building a new home or renovating an existing one, we've got you covered. Join us as we explore various architectural styles, interior design trends, and practical DIY projects to transform your house into a home you'll love. Nestled amidst a serene landscape, a modern two-story house stands as a testament to both architectural innovation and organic harmony. Its distinctive rounded corners and expansive glass doors create a sense of openness and fluidity, inviting the natural world to seamlessly integrate with the interior living space. The house is situated on a gentle slope, overlooking a meandering river and a majestic mountain range. The surrounding environment provides a tranquil backdrop, enhancing the overall sense of serenity and tranquility. The exterior of the house is a striking blend of modern aesthetics and natural materials. The lower level is clad in a smooth, gray cement, which lends a contemporary and minimalist feel to the structure. The upper level is characterized by its rounded corners and expansive glass walls, allowing for abundant natural light to flood the interior. The rounded design creates a sense of fluidity and movement, softening the overall aesthetic and making the house appear less imposing. The front yard is a minimalist landscape, featuring a clean, geometric design with a gravel surface. A rounded sofa, upholstered in a neutral fabric, is positioned in front of the house, providing a comfortable and inviting space for outdoor relaxation. The sofa is complemented by a series of low-lying planters, which are filled with a variety of flowering plants and shrubs. These planters add a touch of color and vitality to the minimalist landscape. Behind the house, a majestic mountain range rises up, creating a dramatic and awe-inspiring backdrop. The mountain is densely forested, providing a sense of privacy and seclusion. The trees are a mix of evergreens and deciduous species, creating a tapestry of color that changes with the seasons. The river that flows beside the house adds a sense of tranquility and peacefulness to the overall ambience. The gentle murmur of the water provides a soothing soundtrack to the natural world. The river is also a source of inspiration, offering stunning views and opportunities for recreation. The interior of the house is equally modern and minimalist. The open-plan layout creates a sense of spaciousness and flow, allowing for seamless interaction between the living, dining, and kitchen areas. The walls are painted in neutral tones, providing a clean and uncluttered backdrop for the furnishings. Large windows offer panoramic views of the surrounding landscape, blurring the lines between indoors and out. The house is designed to be both functional and aesthetically pleasing. The kitchen is equipped with state-of-the-art appliances and ample storage space. The bedrooms are spacious and comfortable, with ample natural light and views of the surrounding environment. The bathrooms feature modern fixtures and finishes, creating a spa-like atmosphere. This modern two-story house is more than just a dwelling. It is a sanctuary, a place where one can escape the hustle and bustle of modern life and find peace and serenity. The design of the house is a harmonious blend of modern aesthetics and natural materials, creating a space that is both inviting and inspiring. The surrounding environment provides a tranquil backdrop, enhancing the overall sense of well-being and tranquility. comment below to share your favorite garden. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your garden. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.